If Firefox is showing a proxy server refusing connections error, don't worry. This is usually a settings issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the proxy settings in Firefox so you can get back online quickly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that gives you access to the main browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Firefox settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and connection options. Next, click Privacy and Security from the left-hand panel. This section contains many important browser and network preferences, so take your time and scroll carefully. Keep scrolling down until you reach the Connection and Software Security section. Depending on your Firefox version, this may appear a little different, but you are looking for the area that controls how Firefox connects to the internet. Once you find it, click Advanced Settings. This will open the network configuration options. Now click Configure Proxy. Here you'll see several proxy choices. If the proxy settings are causing the error, select No Proxy or use System Proxy Settings. In most cases, choosing one of these options will stop Firefox from trying to connect through a broken or incorrect proxy server. After selecting the correct option, click OK to save your changes. Then close the Settings tab and try loading a website again. If the page opens normally, the issue has been fixed. If you still see the same error, you may need to check your internet connection, restart Firefox, or review your computer's network settings as well. But for most users, changing the proxy setting to No Proxy or Use System Proxy Settings solves the problem right away. And that's how you fix the proxy server refusing connections error in Firefox. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Firefox troubleshooting guides.